Tonight, we're taking the farm security to a new level with the help of our new rail-mounted flashlight from ThruNite. This is the Desert Tan TW20 flashlight from ThruNite, and it comes shipped to your door with everything you'll need, with the exception of something to mount to. Inside the box, you can find your user manual, a USB-C charging cable, spare O-ring and charging plug, and then your TW20 rail flashlight. Unscrew the flashlight and you'll see it's powered by a 3100 mAh battery. This gives you an hour and 26 minutes of constant brightness. The flashlight is made of a super strong aluminum alloy and feels incredibly durable. Now this flashlight has two modes to use. One where you can press and hold the button to activate the light, and the other you can press and it will activate until you press it again. Installation is super easy. Unscrew the screw and then you can press to open the vice grip. Open it up, slide it on the rail, and then screw it down to hold in place. Now that our crossbow is equipped with the finest of ThruNite flashlights, it's time to go do a brightness and usage test. So we powered it on and took it outside. It was super bright and gave off more light coverage than the moon on a clear night. But it also gave off a mean crossbow shadow. So we swapped it to the bottom rail and took it to the woods. This was perfect. Now we have minimal shadows, massive light coverage, and the ability to use the scope. This flashlight shines a super bright 2532 lumens and can project light up to 250 meters. This flashlight allows us to see so far and gives us so much coverage that we managed to spot an exotic breed of albino deer. We used the flashlight to light our way and give us a clear shot. Once it was lined up, we fired. It went right through, direct hit. But surprisingly, it wasn't phased. It ran off to safety, but we were on its trail. The flashlight guided the way and allowed us to quickly find it again. This time, it was grazing right in the open. I used the flashlight to sight in perfectly. I nailed that sucker over and over again, but somehow it was okay and it ran off to safety again. I had enough. I chased it down one last time, loaded in a bolt, and put in one final shot. Under the full moon, I'd claimed my prize, and now I'll be eating well for months to come. This flashlight has been so nice to use. Now I can keep the farm safe in those unfortunate situations, and maybe even go for a night hunt. And if that's not enough, it's even IPX8 waterproof. What's not to love? So if you're looking for a rail-mounted flashlight, this one might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go do some more nighttime target practice. See ya. Wow. That does more light coverage than the moon.